Good morning. I'm here today with my friend from Chattanooga Exteriors. That's right, it is On the Deck with Jamie Brennerman. Thanks for being here today, Jamie.
Thank you.
So it looks like we have Trex Composite Decking here today. What is Trex Decking?
So this is the best decking you can get.
Okay.
Traditionally we would put down wood decking, we would sand, we would stain it, we would pressure wash it, we would do that. So this is composite decking, which some people don't know that Trex is kind of the leader in that segment. And so this right here is no maintenance. I mean, you hose it off. I mean, you put it down once and forget it.
And there's no splinters. Like, I can feel that. And you said paint, pressure wash, that's done more than just the installation. That's done like once a year.
Yeah, people, you're supposed to pressure wash that. You're supposed to at least seal it every year, stain it probably every other year. So it's this constant ongoing maintenance. And then you have to deal with the splinters part of it.
Right.
Then it, dry rots, and there's just a lot of things that come with it, especially if you have kids, especially babies and things like that, where they're going out there getting splinters all in their feet, and it's just not a good thing.
So how does this come to the home? Is it like 2x4s or what?
Yeah, so this is a 1-inch material. It comes in 12, 16s, and 20 foots. So what we do is we help you kind of design that so there is no seams. So we'll come out and look at it and say, okay, hey, we need to do this, this, this. That way it is the best use of the material.
Now, what about this railing? What's this?
Yeah, so this is Trex composite rail, and along with an aluminum rail. So it's a composite post that you can get in multiple colors, and then you have the aluminum rail that is a low maintenance rail. So, the railings are another component of this. And so it's just, if you deal with a wood railing, you got the same issues. So we try to kind of, hey, like, let's do everything low maintenance. So we do this once, and then you can enjoy it for 30, 40, 50 years to come.
Wow. So so talk to me about the benefits of that. It sounds like...
Yeah, so it's a more upfront cost than a wood deck. So it does cost more, but it pays yourself over and over and over again, because you don't have all these yearly costs of pressure washing, staining, sealing, all that maintenance. And so, I always say, like, let's own the deck, not let the deck own us. Right. And so we don't want to say, hey, well, this weekend I got to go tackle this project, or hey, this weekend I get to go enjoy my deck. Right.
I mean, I've even seen rotting in the bases of these decks that looks, scary or maybe even dangerous. Can you tell me about that?
Yes. So and with Chattanooga Exteriors, we are the only people in town that are certified deck safety specialists.
Really?
Yeah. So we come out and look not only at the boards and the rails, but we look at the framing to make sure that that is safe.
Right.
A lot of times we'll tell you, hey, your deck is not safe. You do not need to be on this. Or hey, your deck is not up to code. You need to do X, Y, and Z to get that up to code.
And do you offer checking that out even beyond a service like this? Will you come in? Oh, that's great to know, because I worry about that stuff.
Yeah, so we do that, and we can say, hey, we recommend doing X, Y, and Z, and that's going to cost you, X number of dollars, and then we can do that. It's part of the service that we offer, and so we can do that. Along with the composite decking that we do.
Right. So speaking about service, you have a promotion going on right now. Tell me about it.
So right now we have $750 off of decking and railing, and so that there is no kind of minimums with that. We can come out and just do the decking, or we can do the railing, and so that is up to $750. And we can come out and do that for you. And we also have 12 months, no interest, no payments.
That one. Yes.
So if you're looking at saying, okay, well, I don't know if I'll be able to afford it right away, well, we can do it this year, and then you can pay on it over the next 12 months.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So thank you for coming on. How can people get a hold of you?
They can call us at 805-3800 or go to our website at ChattanoogaExteriors.com.
That's great. 805-3800, ChattanoogaExteriors.com. And I understand it's a free consultation.
Yes.
That first talk is free to find out how Jamie Brennerman with Chattanooga Exteriors can help you out. Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Thank you.